At ang ating instant replays brought to you by Santa Ana Park dito po sa Naik, Cavite, kung saan bayan karerista, kayo ang bida.
And they're off. Early lead is taken by Dr. Jude and by the rail, Ding Galing Galing and Dundon Sentry. Moving up in between horses, Virgin Island on the outside is Red Hot Water. But it's still Dr. Jude in the lead, followed by Virgin Island on the outside, Dundon Sentry, and Ding-a-ling-a-ling in between horses. On the outside is Red Hot Water, and Area Truth moving up by the rail, Patricia's Pet. And at the far turn, it is still Dr. Jude moving up on the outside, Virgin Island, Dundon Sentry moving up by the rail, and here comes Red Hot Water, Patricia's Pet, and Air the Truth. The last bend for home. The lead is taken over now by Ding-a-ling-a-ling on the outside, Dundon Sentry by the rail, and Virgin Island on the farther outside, and Dr. Jude. And into the home stretch, it's Dundon Sentry by the rail, Ding-a-ling-a-ling, Virgin Island, and Red Hot Water on the farther outside, but it's still Dundon Sentry in the lead. Dundon Sentry on the outside is Virgin Island. On the farther outside is Red Hot Water. And finally, at the payoff line, it's a close finish between entries number 1, Dundon Sentry, Red Hot Water, Virgin Island.
Ang winner take all natin, kung mananalo ang 1, 228,493 at yung 7, 122,996 na lang.
Pero too close to call yan, partner.
Oo.
Anyway,
Oo.
Direct, pwede ba tayong slow mo natin yung datingan doon sa finish line? Ayan, titingnan po natin bago mumeta. Bandera pa dito yung 1 eh. Pero ito, lakas ang dating ng 7 sa labas. So, tingnan natin kung ano.
Sino tingin mo?
Pero parang natingin ko natuka eh. Tingin ko natuka eh.